For some reason, people find it necessary to park at the end of our drive. If they run out of gas is one thing, but there's been times people have left their cars on our property for weeks on end. It's not fun to drive around someone on your own property, so today we're putting up some no parking signs on the farm. The pack comes shipped to your door with 3 aluminum private property signs.
Violators will be towed away at vehicle owner's expense.
They definitely get the point across. These signs measure in at 10 by 14 inches and are big enough to catch your eye. They come with a protective film over them to help from scratches. Remove the film and the sign reflects the light around you. It's super reflective and would be sure to be seen if headlights were to hit it. Now it did arrive with a little dent in the bottom from shipping, but that's okay, as we're going to be hanging it up outside and bolting it down to some posts on the farm. To hang these up, there's 4 convenient pre-drilled holes in the corners. Bolt down the corners and the sign is here to stay. They're rust-free and weatherproof, so they should hold up for quite some time. We've had them out on our farm for a bit now, and there's no signs of wear. And there's no signs of people leaving their vehicles overnight. So I'm happy. If you're looking for some affordable no parking signs to slap up as well, then these might just be for you. Till next time, I'm gonna go hang up some more signs. See ya.